Hello mga my love, kumusta kayo? Guys, you know already my favorite paksiw. I will cook again fish. This is the one I will make it daing. Daing to tatlo because it's little bit bigger. And then there is the smaller fish which is I will do the paksiw. As usual, as you know, we don't have sea here. This is our main. And then, my secret ingredient is onion, 2 pieces of onion, and then lots of chili. Lagyan na natin dito, guys. Sa aking, mahiwagang casserole. And then, garlic, ginger. Too much garlic, guys, and ginger. That is the secret to make it yummy. And then in Nepal we call this kursani. In English, chili. In Nepal we call this what's it called this one? Pias. In English, onion. Adwa and last one. Diba? And then, I need to put my pretty fish. Hi, everyone! We'll put too much of fish. As usual, I said, whoever watching always my channel, they know already this is my favorite food. If my husband he saw in the market there is small fish, he will buy for me. You know already, gusto ko talagang fish, guys. I love fish. Diba? And then I put chili. Known to taste. We'll put known. Known is salt. We call here in Nepal, salt is known. And then I put also the black pepper, small only. And then my vinegar. I love vinegar, guys. You know what? My husband was crazy for this, guys, paksiw. He like also my food. He like Filipino food. Kapag bibigyan kain ako, magluto siya mag-isa. And then I add the water. And then later, when it boils, I need to add when it boils, guys, I need to add the oil. Now, ready to the fire, guys. Because I'm hungry na, guys. I'm diet now. Ready na ang aking. Pakita ko kayo, guys. Silip-silip lang muna, guys, ha? Ready na siya, lahat-lahat. Bye for now. Be happy and be kind. Thank you always for watching my video. Bye. Guys, it's here. Dinner time. Kain tayo. Luto ng aking isda. May paksiw ba? Diba? Tapos, fry fish. And then with ginamos. Sorry guys. Onion, chili, and ginger, and vinegar. Then may pa-dessert si madam. Diba? Kain tayo guys. 1 kilo talaga yung ano ko guys. Kailangan kapag may paksiw guys, oh my God, I need 2 kilo of rice. I need 2 kilo of rice guys kasi matakaw ako sa rice. Kain tayo mga my loves. Unang subo sa inyo na lang guys, okay? Bye! Guys, because I cannot eat ginamos, now my husband buy me. Ginamos! O, ito guys, oh, live fish. Diba? Kasi nag-craving si Inday ng ginamos, but no ginamos. Fish na lang guys, fish. Ang cute ng fish, oh. You know what, B? If my Lola, this one, grandmother, if like this small fish, she told that, oh, don't buy like this. She will tell to Mama, why? Return to the sea, why? So that become grow. Guys, my grandmother, now already in heaven, she will tell to my mother that, don't buy small fish. Then my mama, because my mama, she like small fish. No, this is yummy. No, don't buy. Why? You need to return in the sea. Let her grow. Diba? Ngayon guys, oh. Kasi, we don't have sea here. Walang dagat dito sa Nepal.
Tami ang liya, tami.
Ha?
Tami.
We don't have sea in Nepal. We have only Tami. Soon, we will make sea in Nepal.
Witcher.
To Philippines, to Nepal, so that I will go home to cargo. We go by sea. How many months? 1 year for going to sea in Philippines. Hala, si Daddy, see, my daddy is very busy, oh. Busy kasi Daddy. Kasi nagkre-crave na naman si Inday. Gusto kumain ng ginamos pero no ginamos. Satisfy. Ang gagawin, paksiw. Paksiw is life, guys. Look, guys. Uy, my husband catch the, what's that name?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Show that one. Oh my God. Very cute. Hi, Pigeon. He found out here, guys. Now it's time to release.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, bye-bye. Goyo, bapush.
Pilan din tayo. Kailan? Not always.
Sweetie love, oh. Because our dog miss us. No? My dog is missing. Guys, you know what, guys? Sweetie go to another house, guys, and then as per our neighbor, Sweetie, she's watching the altar or God. She's doing 3 times daw. I don't know, maybe she prayed that. What you pray? What you pray there, Sweetie? My neighbor telling that si Sweetie go to Bagwan and then 3 times she come and then after bow here. What you bow, Sweetie? So, Sweetie, huh? You do prayer. Sweetie, do prayer, guys. She go in the inside our house. No, she go the neighbor house, guys, and then she go in the altar. She pray. What you pray, my love? You pray, my love, that we go Philippines? Huh? You want to go Philippines? You want to go Philippines? Ah, wala na, guys. Oh, massage na, guys. Dog time. Sometimes we need to give dog time, guys, because this is my dog. But Sweetie, guys, she like always massage. But this is very haramiya. See? This is badmas. But this is my good. See, badmas, guys. Oh, badmas. It means badmas. Also, may badmas. You're badmas. Huh? See, guys? Snow na take shower. Nga pa mo. So say, namaste everyone. Say namaste. Namaste. Say, namaste everyone. San chuchu. Huh? Okay. Kicha. Huh? Okay. Okay, namaste. Namaste. Okay, namaste. Ito na, namaste. Okay, namaste first. Oh. Hi, namaste. Snow. Kalay.
Guys, I'm eating watermelon.
Cow, you eat watermelon? You like?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you like watermelon, cow? Yummy. Don't make it little bun. Eat, cow, eat. Ay, very yummy, cow. Eat more, eat more. I will help you. La. Ita. La. Ita. Eat. You can take? You can take? You can? You will? La. Aja. Eat that one. Wait na. I will help. Wait na. Don't bite me. Okay, that side you eat. Here. Wait na first. Move now. La. Oh.
No.
She cannot reach kasi. La. Hindi kasi niya hindi niya maano, ano tawag dito? Yung watermelon. He or she cannot pick up. That's why I remove. You done? Here, one more. Here, ita. Ay, naku, love. You're very big kaya. You're done? No more. Bye-bye. No more. Finish. Finish, cow. Go, Rampa. Go. Where you go?
I want milk.
Ha?
I want milk.
Ano na yan? Cow, Sophia, one milk daw. Yun, milk with the cow. Nagrampa ng cow, guys. Nakita niya kasing watermelon, tinapon ko dito. And then now he want now to, now he go. Bye, cow. Ay, nasaan ang dito? Tingnan nyo guys, tumingin kami ng damit ni Sophia. Meron kasi ditong bagsak presyo. Ang ganda. Nepali, anong tawag to? Nepali dress. Ang ganda guys, no? Ano lang to? Sa atin 200 lang to. Sa peso. Tapos ito, ipatahi lang to siya. Ang cute. Ay. Oo. Dresses also. And then another one also guys. Ang cute ni Sophia siguro nito. Yellow. There's red. Cute si Piang nito. Ala. Dalaga na ang aming Piang guys.
Bar.
See guys, mura lang kasi. Ang cute. Actually, pumunta kami dito para sa aking sari. Tapos, itong amin nakita. Ang ganda. No, daddy is looking.
This is also nice.
Nice. But again, in the summertime, that is velvet. Mati.
It's okay.
Summertime again, very hot.
Very small part only, no?
Yes, you can wear that one tomorrow, no?
Yeah.
What's that? Down tala, tala is that? Isto. And then,
also same like this chunni.
chunni. Ala. But ikdam tulo cha.
Papa.
Ikdam tulo. Sophia is that. Ikdam tala.
42 को रहेछ कि साइज हैन र
32 चाहिँ हो
ठुलो हुन्छ नि 32
Tulo is.
यो 32 मा पनि सानो साइज हो कि
30 to 31 sabi. Dito guys, ang mga sari. Ito.
प्लेन फुलाइ भनेको हैन मैले
I-flash ko sa inyo yung mga damit ng sa Nepal guys ha. Yung mga Ito ang nila. Dito. Ang ganda.
बाउलाल्न पर्यो यसमा तुना हाल्न पर्यो
Ito ang napili namin. Ayun ang napili ni Daddy. Ano lang to. They have on sale. That's why. Bagsak price. And then here they have linga for the kids. And big one. And then I buy my blouse, guys, for my sari. Tomorrow they have event, and then I will wear this one. Okay. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please be kind. I love you all.